Mopresidente wa ANC Cyril Ramaphosa kgakotse tokomane ya ditshepiso tsa mokga wa habo wa dikgetho pejana phirimaneng ena Square Tshwane. Ramaphosa o tshepisitse hore mokga wa habo o tla itekolla botjha mme o etse dintho ka tsela e nepahetseng le e fapaneng ho nako e fetileng. O boletse hore ba-lekgotla ba tletseng bobodu ba ithusang ka ditjhelete tsa setjhaba ha bana sebaka mokgeng ona.
As we ask the people of our country for their vote, we are mindful of the difficult times we are facing as families, as communities, and as a nation. South Africans want water, electricity, sanitation, and refuse removal. Simple things. They want faulty electricity substations, burst water pipes, and overflowing sewage drains to be fixed, and they want them to be fixed on time. South Africans want tarred roads. They want tarred or paved pavements, and potholes that occur must be filled to avoid accidents and burst tires of their vehicles. They want illegal dumps removed and parks with safe facilities where their children can play. This is what South Africans want. In the face of hardship, our people have been calling for strong leaders who put the interests and the needs of our people first. Leaders who are not corrupt, leaders who will not divert money that is meant for service delivery into their own pockets. People want councillors that they can have confidence in and trust. Councillors who will be responsive to community concerns and available when problems arise. And people want, wherever I've gone throughout the country, they want a united, renewed, and revitalized African National Congress. They want this because they know that the future of this country is intricately linked with the unity and the renewal of the African National Congress. They want the ANC to correct its mistakes and once again to selflessly serve all the people of South Africa.